she contradicts herself every time. When she spoke to me last time, she was supposed to expose Karan Johar and Aditya Chopra. And there were no mentions of these two people. And she very conveniently mentioned today about Rohini Iyer and Sanjana Sanghi. Maybe because she's thinking of her future in the film industry.
When did she last speak to you?
She had called me yesterday.
She called you yesterday?
And, she called me yesterday.
Ria called you yesterday?
She called me yesterday.
Why did she call you?
She wanted me.
In fact, she told the nepotism.
Listen, now she's revealing something.
She said that Sushant was denied.
She's
awards.
revealing something. What did she say?
In fact, she supported the murder theory. I don't know, again, now should it be? She was very diplomatic about the
She supported the murder theory when she spoke to you.
Yes, absolutely. And she said...
And she went on TV and talked about the suicide theory.
Exactly.
No, 1 minute.
Also,
1 minute. Smita, hold on. Hold on. Shoaib, stop it. Shoaib, she's saying something. Shoaib, you got to keep quiet.
Do you have audio recording?
Yes.
You have 1 minute. 1 minute, viewers. 1 minute. 1 minute. You be quiet. Why are you stopping it when she's speaking? What's your problem?
This is sensational.
She's revealing something. It's sensational. It's breaking news, so you have to keep quiet.
Okay, go ahead.
Shoaib, please. This is a live testimony. All my panelists are quiet. Anuja is quiet. Shweta is quiet. Why are you talking? Thank you.
Why I'm so upset?
No, 1 minute now. I'm going to. No, 1 second. Just a minute, Smita. Let me. Ria Chakrabarti called you yesterday, and you have a recording of the conversation. Yes or no?
Yes.
And in the recording, she says to you that she believes the murder theory.
Absolutely.
Can you be a little more detailed? What did she say about the murder? Because then she tells you that yesterday. What time was the phone call?
Actually, I was asleep till late. So when I saw my phone, it was already 11:30 in the morning. By then, I have already 5-6 missed call from an unknown number.
Yeah.
So I called back. My normal routine is I call back and I ask, and she said, it's me and I need to speak to you because you're the only one who's speaking the truth. And because I spoke about Rajiv Masand and Rohini Iyer in one of my interview, and which I knew that yes, Sushant was troubled by these two people, which is a true thing. And if Nilotpal ji is on this panel, I'm sure he should file a case against these two people because they have definitely harassed Sushant during last a year or so. So yeah, so she had shared some screenshots also how Sushant had sent those screenshots of the blind articles and they were really harassing him mentally. But then I told her that why are you still talking about this suicide thing? Because I still met him on few occasions, but you were the life of Sushant for a year. You should have known. How come you are saying it is a suicide? She said, no, now even I believe that it's not a suicide and I want justice for him, but I'm already very busy with my own fight, to get out of it. So I told her that there are certain allegations on you, which are right. If you can only get out of those, then only you will be able to fight. But you should at least ask for justice, CBI, and all the proper investigation for Sushant, which she said, yes, I will do it and I want this. And I definitely suspect there is a foul play because she was not allowed to see the social media as per her account, from her lawyer's instructions. So she doesn't know all the goof-ups.
She told you that she believes he could have been murdered.
Arnab, this is explosive.
Yes.
You have a recording of this.
This is absolutely.
At what time was the phone call?
This should be given to CBI.
Yes, I think so.
Given to CBI. Tell her to give it to CBI. Arnab, you take this.
11?
11:30ish about in the morning.
Okay, because this Aaj Tak interview, whatever it is, if you call it an interview, happened after midnight because they waited for all journalists to go away and then, they sort of sneaked in. So what you're saying is that she told you she believes it's murder. And then this same person coolly goes on an interview with a friendly channel and pushes and pushes and pushes the whole depression, bipolar, suicide theory. This has to be a very calculating mind.
This is very upsetting for me.
This is very
upsetting for me.
No, it's giving you goosebumps. If somebody has told you in a phone call that she believes it is murder,
she was following a script.
Then Shweta, she coolly goes on an interview and coolly pushes the suicide theory. This is a very
that only
calculating,
shows that
cold-minded individual.
Script which was given to her,
and also maligning him that he was taking marijuana. I mean, why are you even talking about it if you really love him? In case one person, I'm saying if he did.
No, but I'm interested in the turn. No. I'm interested, Smita, in the twist.
Yeah.
Shocking.
Play the recording.
Yeah, stop challenging her. If she says she's got a recording, she's got a recording.
I will give it to CBI. Don't worry. If needed, I'll
play the recording, and you are not a CBI. That she will play a recording for you.
Arnav, this is explosive. Shouldn't you be interested? Shouldn't you be interested?
Yes, I am interested.
You be interested.
Don't play a detective.
This is the most important breaking news.
Yes, I am.
You be interested.
Yes, I am interested.
There is a recording.
Yeah, of course I'm interested.
You be playing it out
This
for the
news
sake of
itself
audience.
is huge. This news. हमेशा कहता हूँ, ना एक हो, ना दो हो, ना तीन हो, ना कतई कभी कोई विश्वासघात ना हो भारत के लोगों के साथ। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में अभी तक कई सवाल है मेरे मन में। आज्ञा दे तो वो सवाल भी करूंगा मैं, मगर आज मौका नहीं है वो। मगर ये ना भूले सुधांशु जी कि भारत की जनता सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में सीबीआई क्या कर रही है या उससे ज्यादा क्या नहीं कर रही है, उस पर सवाल करना बंद करेगी। सवाल भारत की जनता करेगी और भारत की जनता की सवाल उनके सामने मैं रखूंगा और आपके सामने भी रखूंगा। देखिए सवाल क्या है मेरे सवाल को आप राजनीतिक रंग। He also said, and I repeat, what happened to Jia Khan was exactly what happened to Disha Salian. All this information was with Sushant. And viewers, I will throw these facts straight at those people who are trying to push this lie of depression leading to suicide.